Welcome to Refactoring for Beginners, Part 1. This video series is structured as a set of small digestible chunks, and I hope it helps you approach improving your own code in the future. Throughout the series, we will discuss and refactor a simple command line interface program, which was originally written by a friend of mine who is just now learning to code. Throughout this video series, there are a few expectations you should have. The first is that this content is geared toward new developers. My goal is to help people who are just learning the code understand how to take code, which they currently have, which works, but how they can make it better. Secondly, the code we'll be working on and the concepts we'll be talking about is likely going to be pretty generic, so don't worry about trying to apply it to whichever language it is that you're working in. We'll be working in Java, but you can probably take these concepts and apply it to your favorite language. And lastly, and most importantly to me, is that our goal is to improve our code, not make it perfect. A lot of times we shoot for perfect and we end up just wasting time. The Boy Scout rule is often best. Leave any code you find better than you found it. The application that we are going to be working in throughout this video series is a rather simple to-do list application. Now, this program has a couple different functionalities to it. We can add a new to-do list, we can list our existing to-do list, we can save our to-do list to a file, we can exit the program, and we can ask the program to show us the commands that are available to us with the help option. The application source that we are starting out with has a number of areas of opportunity for us to improve it. However, to me, one of the biggest problems with this existing source code is how long the main method is. As I scroll through this, you can see that the main method includes the logic for the entire application. This is not uncommon in code that you see in new developers, students, etc. By the time we get to the end of the series, we will have broken down this program into additional classes, methods, etc. If you made it this far, I'll take a brief moment to describe myself. My name is Kevin Viglucci, and I'm a web-focused software engineer working in games. While these days I'm primarily focused on Node.js and React, I started my career working on a very large Java application. I hope you find this video series interesting as well as helpful. And if you'd like to connect, you can find my various socials on viglucci.io or at the link tree listed above.